rider. We are here at Payo Anden Expedition Company. So we are with our friend Jonathan, who comes from America, and he has to say some words about his experience here in Peru. Jonathan?
So I'm from New York originally, but from the Philippines, but I live in Europe for 20 years now. So we're looking for a tour going to Cusco, Machu Picchu, and we saw Machu Picchu 101 Bayuden Expeditions in Facebook. I contacted them, then we contacted through Facebook. Then after several months, we're here. The guides are good, they speak English well. The hotel in Cusco were good, the breakfast was delicious, and the tour was well organized. We love our trip in Machu Picchu, so if you have any tour going to Cusco, Machu Picchu, or Peru, just contact Bayuden Expedition, Machu Picchu 101, you'll have a good time.
Okay. Would you recommend to your future passengers and friends Payo Anden Expedition?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they have a great guide. They speak English well. You
Okay.
will not have any problem. I speak very little Spanish, but I was not scared and I enjoyed my trip.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, bye-bye.
Enjoy Peru.